Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right at the game. Launch Dead Space 3 and stop at the main menu. Once there, open Options or Settings to access language controls. This is faster than digging through saves or profiles. You want the submenu labeled Language, Audio, or Subtitles. That grouping holds both text and spoken language options. If you don't see language entries, make sure the platform overlay isn't hiding menu items. Now proceed to the specific language selection field shown on the next screen. Once you're in the language or audio/text menu, pick the spoken audio and the on-screen text language independently when possible. Many games separate them for accessibility. Use your keyboard, mouse, or controller to highlight the desired language and confirm with Apply or Save. Make sure to watch for a restart prompt because some changes only take effect after reloading assets. If the option is grayed out, the game may require a platform-level language change. Switch to that next after applying the new language, quit completely and relaunch Dead Space 3 so all audio and text assets reload. Streaming assets won't flip mid-session. If the language didn't change, open Steam or Origin and set the game's language there, then verify or repair game files and relaunch. As a final step, install any available language packs or updates. Troubleshooting tip: if audio remains original, clear local cache or reinstall the game components for that language. That usually resolves missing voice files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.